lots of messy code. So it will reproduce the thing which is more and more messy. So whether it's knowingly or unknowingly, it is having no problem unless we are not getting used to it violating the rules. That means it should not be the situation. But why should I bother? As a developer, why should I bother? So as per Gartner, total technical debt in global IT sector was $500 billion in 2010. And it is expected to grow by $1 trillion in 2015. And believe me, it's not alarming, it's appalling. If you look at the various cycle of the vicious cycle of technical debt, first we are having the poorly written code, whether knowingly or unknowingly, which is here in the red circle. Then we are putting more time and we are taking more cost, it costs more. And the business, because of this poorly written code, business becomes less agile because it's not able to take a new change quickly. So it will be able to make less money. And then when we will get the less money, we are getting less money for future development. And again, it's coming to a poorly written code. And the cycle goes on. It's a endless loop. But at the same time, if you look at the James Hicks, a famous agilist, he's saying that all projects incur technical debt, and that is not a bad thing. Oh, so whatever we have taught so far is not making any sense here. We were talking about the technical debt, which is not good. But the James is saying it's not a bad thing. Bit confusing, right? The first thing we should keep in our mind, it is really hard to eliminate technical debt completely. We can only minimize it. We cannot eliminate that. And as a developer, because he is a key stakeholder in software development, he can play an important role in minimizing this technical debt. And that's why we are going to talk on all these practices, though it's not directly related to the technical aspect, because I'm not talking to discuss about the refactoring techniques because already lots of materials are available there. But I'm going to talk on what are the practices we will use so that we can have, we will be able to use those refactoring techniques more efficiently. So what is available?